Welcome to our exploration of Cairo, Egypt, a city steeped in rich history and vibrant culture. As one of the oldest cities in the world, Cairo offers a fascinating blend of ancient wonders and modern life. From the iconic Pyramids of Giza to the bustling markets of Khan El-Khalili, there's something for every traveler. Whether you're an adventurer seeking historical treasures, a culture enthusiast eager to experience local traditions, or a foodie ready to savor authentic Egyptian cuisine, Cairo promises an unforgettable journey. Join us as we uncover the top attractions that make this city a must-visit destination. The Cairo Citadel, constructed by Saladin in the 12th century, stands as a testament to the city's historical significance and architectural grandeur. This formidable fortification was designed to protect Cairo from Crusader invasions and has since become a symbol of the city's rich heritage. Within its walls lies the stunning Mosque of Muhammad Ali, an exquisite example of Ottoman architecture, renowned for its impressive dome and intricate details. Visitors to the Citadel are treated to breathtaking views of the old city, offering a unique perspective on Cairo's vibrant landscape and a glimpse into its storied past. The Hanging Church, a cornerstone of Coptic Christianity, dates back to 690 AD and holds immense historical significance. Suspended above the ground, this architectural marvel showcases a blend of ancient and medieval styles, featuring stunning wooden ceilings and intricate carvings. Inside, visitors are captivated by biblical frescoes that depict key moments from Scripture, enriching the spiritual atmosphere. The church is also renowned for its role in the apparitions of Mary, drawing pilgrims and tourists alike who seek solace and inspiration. As a vital center of faith, the Hanging Church continues to embody the enduring legacy of Coptic heritage. Islamic Cairo is a treasure trove of rich cultural heritage, showcasing a stunning collection of architectural masterpieces that reflect the city's Islamic history. The historic core is home to magnificent mosques, intricate minarets, and beautifully adorned madrasas, each telling a unique story. For those eager to explore, a DIY walking tour offers the perfect opportunity to uncover hidden gems tucked away in narrow alleyways, from quaint artisan shops to serene courtyards. As night falls, the vibrant atmosphere comes alive, with illuminated landmarks and bustling markets inviting visitors to experience the enchanting charm of Islamic Cairo after dark. Al-Azhar Park is a serene recreational oasis nestled in the heart of Cairo, offering a peaceful escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Spanning over 30 acres, the park features beautifully landscaped gardens, tranquil pathways, and picturesque water features, making it a perfect spot for relaxation and leisure. Its historical significance is profound, as the park was developed on the site of a historic garbage dump, transforming the area into a vibrant green space. Located near significant historic districts, visitors can enjoy stunning views of old minarets that punctuate the skyline of Islamic Cairo, enriching the experience with a sense of history. Al-Azhar Mosque stands as a beacon of historical and educational importance in Cairo, showcasing a remarkable architectural style that seamlessly blends old and modern designs. Founded in 970 AD, it serves not only as a place of worship but also as a prestigious center for learning, attracting scholars and students from around the globe. The mosque is renowned for its role in spiritual pilgrimage, drawing countless visitors seeking knowledge and enlightenment. Its significance in Muslim history is profound, as Al-Azhar has been a cornerstone of Islamic education for centuries, shaping theological thought and fostering a rich intellectual tradition. Coptic Cairo is a vital historical site for early Christianity, showcasing splendid churches that reflect the rich heritage of the Coptic faith. Among these, the Church of St. Sergius and Bacchus stands out, believed to be built on the site where the Holy Family rested during their flight into Egypt. The Coptic Museum, with its extensive collection of artifacts, offers invaluable insights into the history and culture of Coptic Christianity. Visitors are encouraged to explore these key sites, immersing themselves in the profound legacy of Coptic Cairo, where faith and history intertwine in a captivating narrative. Khan Al-Khalili is a vibrant market and cultural hub that has served as a symbol of trade for over 600 years, reflecting Cairo's rich commercial history. This bustling bazaar is a treasure trove of shops offering a diverse array of goods, from exquisite antiques and handcrafted jewelry to aromatic spices and traditional textiles. Visitors are often captivated by the lively atmosphere and the colorful displays that make it a perfect spot for photography. With its charming alleyways and historic architecture, Khan Al-Khalili has earned a reputation as an Instagrammable location, inviting travelers to capture the essence of Cairo's vibrant culture. The Museum of Islamic Art is a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts, showcasing a vast collection of artifacts that span over 1,400 years of Islamic history. With over 100,000 pieces, the museum features exquisite ceramics, textiles, metalwork, and calligraphy, each telling a story of the rich cultural heritage of the Islamic world. The historical significance of the exhibits is profound, offering insights into the artistic achievements and innovations of various civilizations. Visitors are encouraged to take their time appreciating the artistic masterpieces on display, as each piece reflects the beauty and diversity of Islamic art, making for an unforgettable experience. Garbage City, home to the Zabalan community, stands as a remarkable example of sustainability and community resilience in Cairo. This unique destination showcases the innovative recycling practices of the Zabalan, who have transformed waste management into a thriving livelihood, recycling up to 80% of the city's waste. Visiting Garbage City offers an educational experience, allowing guests to learn about the community's efforts in environmental stewardship and social responsibility. By supporting initiatives that promote community development and social justice, visitors can contribute to the empowerment of the Zabalan, fostering a greater understanding of sustainability and the importance of inclusive practices. Saqqara and Dashur are vital archaeological sites that offer profound insights into ancient Egyptian civilization. At Saqqara, the Step Pyramid of Giza stands as a key attraction, representing the earliest colossal stone structure and a significant advancement in pyramid construction. This remarkable monument, designed by the architect Imhotep, showcases the ingenuity of early Egyptians. Nearby, Dashur features impressive pyramids, including the Bent Pyramid and the Red Pyramid, which highlight the evolution of pyramid design. Visitors are encouraged to explore these ancient sites, immersing themselves in the rich history and architectural marvels that define Egypt's fascinating past. Manial Palace is a stunning historical museum that captivates visitors with its architectural beauty and meticulously landscaped gardens. Built in the early 20th century, the palace showcases a unique blend of Islamic, Ottoman, and European styles, reflecting the artistic vision of Prince Muhammad Ali, who resided there. The intricate details of the palace's design, from its ornate ceilings to its elegant courtyards, are truly breathtaking. Inside, the museum houses a diverse collection of art and historical artifacts, encouraging visitors to appreciate the rich cultural heritage of Egypt. Exploring Manil Palace offers a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle of Egypt's royal past. Memphis, once the ancient capital of Egypt, holds immense historical importance and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its archaeological significance. This remarkable city was a political and cultural hub during the Old Kingdom, and its ruins provide invaluable insights into ancient Egyptian civilization. Among its key monuments is the impressive statue of Ramses II, a testament to the artistry and grandeur of the time. Visitors are encouraged to explore the well-preserved ruins, which include temples and burial sites, allowing them to connect with the rich history and legacy of one of Egypt's most influential capitals. Baharia Oasis is a hidden gem for travelers seeking natural beauty and adventure in Egypt. Nestled amidst stunning landscapes, the oasis boasts lush palm groves, hot springs, and picturesque sand dunes, offering a serene escape from the bustling cities. Nearby, the captivating black and white deserts invite exploration, with their unique rock formations and striking contrasts. Visitors can embark on exhilarating desert safaris, discovering ancient sites such as the Temple of Alexander and the fascinating Valley of the Golden Mummies. Baharia Oasis promises an unforgettable experience, blending relaxation with thrilling adventures in one of Egypt's most enchanting locations. The Cave Church, also known as the Monastery of St. Simon, is one of the largest churches in the Middle East, renowned for its unique architecture and spiritual significance. Carved into the rock of Mokattam Mountain, this remarkable structure offers a serene atmosphere, surrounded by stunning natural landscapes that enhance its tranquil setting. The church holds historical context as it is linked to the Holy Family's journey during their flight into Egypt, making it a site of pilgrimage for many. Visitors are encouraged to explore its breathtaking interiors and appreciate the deep-rooted faith and artistry that define this extraordinary sanctuary. The Egyptian Museum is a key attraction in Cairo, renowned for its extensive collection of pharaonic antiquities that span thousands of years of ancient history. Home to over 120,000 artifacts, the museum showcases the grandeur of Egypt's past, with highlights including the magnificent treasures of King Tutankhamun. These exquisite items, discovered in his tomb, offer a glimpse into the opulence and artistry of the 18th dynasty. Visitors are encouraged to explore the museum to deepen their understanding of Egypt's rich cultural heritage, as each exhibit tells a story of a civilization that has profoundly influenced the world. Abdeen Palace Museum stands as a testament to royal opulence, showcasing the grandeur of Egypt's past. This magnificent palace features an architectural blend of European and Islamic styles, reflecting the diverse influences that shaped its design. Visitors are captivated by the impressive interior, adorned with lavish furnishings, intricate woodwork, and stunning chandeliers that exemplify the elegance of royal life. The museum houses an extensive collection of artifacts, including historical documents, royal garments, and exquisite artworks. Exploring Abdeen Palace encourages appreciation of Egypt's rich royal history, offering a unique glimpse into the lives of its former rulers and their enduring legacy. The Nile River holds immense cultural and historical significance, serving as the lifeblood of Egypt for millennia. In ancient times, it was a vital artery for transportation and trade, facilitating the movement of goods and people between cities and regions. The river's fertile banks supported agriculture, enabling the growth of one of the world's earliest civilizations. Today, visitors are encouraged to explore the Nile through scenic cruises or leisurely walks along its banks, immersing themselves in the breathtaking landscapes. As Egypt's primary water source, the Nile continues to be essential for sustenance, agriculture, and the cultural identity of the nation. The iconic Pyramids of Giza are a must-see attraction, standing as enduring symbols of ancient Egypt's grandeur and ingenuity. These monumental structures served as tombs for pharaohs, reflecting the civilization's beliefs in the afterlife and the importance of honoring their rulers. Among them, the Great Sphinx, with its enigmatic expression and lion-like body, is a recognizable symbol of Egypt, captivating visitors with its mystery and majesty. Experiencing these ancient wonders firsthand is an unforgettable journey into history, allowing travelers to connect with the remarkable achievements of a civilization that continues to inspire awe and fascination around the world. In this journey through Cairo, we've explored a variety of key attractions that showcase the city's rich history and vibrant culture. From the awe-inspiring Pyramids of Giza and the serene beauty of Al-Azhar Park to the bustling markets of Khan Al-Khalili and the historical significance of Coptic Cairo, there's something for every traveler. We encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on more exciting content. Don't forget to explore related videos on our channel, where you can dive deeper into the wonders of Cairo and discover even more unforgettable experiences waiting for you.